Just step it up, the new portable step that pops open to give you a lift. This lightweight step gives you a lift up and helps you out. StepItUp's extra-wide platform is sturdy and stable, with soft rubber treads that provide a no-slip grip. And StepItUp folds flat and stores away easily so you can take it with you. Simply drop it in the door or slide it in the seat back. If you have a bad back or knees, StepItUp gives you the help you need.
It was really difficult getting my mom into the car, but StepItUp made it easy for her to get in and out.
Just pop it open and step it up. Then fold it flat. And it stows just like that. It's perfect for helping the kids when they're small or washing that car that's a little too tall. You can load groceries without straining your back or just step it up to reach your roof rack. Now, any large step can be cut in half or bring it inside for help getting into the bath.